In integration management knowledge during executing phase, there are two processes. One of this is manage project knowledge. Manage project knowledge is the process of using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve the project's objectives and contribute to organizational learning. The key benefits of this process are that prior organizational knowledge is leveraged to produce or improve the project outcomes, and knowledge created by the project is available to support organizational operations and future projects or phases. This process is performed throughout the project. The desired outcome or output of this process are lessons learned register, project management plan updates, any components, organizational process assets updates. But how will we do it? Firstly, we need some inputs of the following: project management plan, all components, project documents like lessons learned register, project team assignments, resource breakdown structure, source selection criteria, stakeholder register, deliverables, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets. Able to process all these inputs to gain the desired outcome, we need the following tools and techniques: expert judgment, knowledge management, information management. We have tackled this in our previous video regarding tacit and explicit knowledge, interpersonal and team skills, active listening, facilitation, leadership, networking, political awareness. By these combinations, we will be able to manage project knowledge. Great job! Keep moving forward. See you in next videos.